Welcome back to Behind the Shed Cooking, where we cook everything outside. It's another fabulous October day in Northern Ireland. So today, we're smoking chickens. Not these ones. So before we start getting the chicken ready, we will bring our smoker up to temp. I'm going to add 1 chimney of charcoal. And a few pieces of apple wood. Going to make sure our combustion air is wide open. And you notice inside I have a container, a tray with a bit of water. That's just to add some moisture to the chicken as it cooks. So we'll let that come off the temp and we will get the chicken ready. Okay, we're going to do 2 chickens today, but I'm going to do them the exact same way. So what we're going to do is take our chicken. We're going to spatchcock this chicken. So basically you want to flip it over. See the tail here. Take a knife or a pair of kitchen shears and cut down this side. On the other side. So you take your backbone out. Now you can keep this, use it for soups and stews, just throw it out in the freezer. And you also want to take off anything that doesn't really look appetizing, any extra skin or and you want to take a knife, cut about 1/4 inch. Flip your bird over and press it down. And that is it. So now what I'm going to do is put a rub on this. So we're going to do both sides. Start with this other side. You just want to drizzle a little bit of oil. This will help the rub stick. And just rub that in nicely. And you take your rub. You can use any poultry rub. I made this one myself. I'll put the ingredients in the description. But you want to go about 18 inches or so above the chicken and just lightly coat it. Now it is called a rub, but you don't actually rub it. What you want to do is just spread it all over. Kind of evenly. Flip the bird over. Same thing on this side. And that is it. That bird is ready to go in the smoker. So I'm gonna do the same to the other bird, and we'll get ready when this is up to temp to get them in. Okay, I've got my smoker up to temperature. I'm gonna cook this today at the start of this cook at 250 degrees. I might bump it up near the end. I got my 2 chickens ready. I've just inserted a thermometer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these into the smoker. You want to put these breast side up. And there we go. So I'm not gonna touch these for an hour. I'm just gonna maintain my temperature about 250 or 120 Celsius, and we'll check them in 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour since the chickens went in. They're cooking along nicely. They're both sitting at 147 degrees. So we're gonna spray them with this. This is 1/3 water, 1/3 apple juice, and 1/3 apple cider vinegar. I'll put that in the description. Basically what we want to do is add some moisture to these chickens. And that's that. So we do that at the 1 hour mark and every 20 minutes until they're done. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter and garlic powder into the smoker. And that's just a hunk of butter and a shake of garlic powder. And I'm gonna put that down here. And basically what I'm gonna do there is melt the butter in the smoker to baste the chickens with. Now, I could just melt it in the microwave, but smoked butter is delicious. So we're gonna melt it in there, and then when these come up to about 155 degrees internal temperature, I will give it a quick baste. Both my chickens are sitting at 160 degrees in the breast. So I just wanna baste them up here with the butter we just melted. Give it some good butter, garlic. So these birds are pretty much done. A few more minutes. Now the reason I'm not rubbing these hard with the brush is because you'll rub the you'll tear the skin. That's it. Smelling good. Okay, the chickens are up to temperature. Both breasts are reading 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's time to take them out. Oh, the smell. So good. at that. Look at these birds. They look delicious. And that's how you smoke whole chicken. So what you want to do now is you want to let these rest for about 25 to 30 minutes, which is the hardest part because all you want to do is eat them. But basically that was 2 chickens done in the smoker in an hour and a half. Now I am going to try this because it looks delicious. Oh. Yeah, that's really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for rubs or any questions, by all means, add them to the comments. Until next time, have a good one.